Good morning and welcome to another Fun Friday video from 303 Tech. I'm Clint Larson. Hey, today we're going to be talking about some technical skills that you may or may not have and some of the things that might be important. For instance, social media. Yeah, I don't have a lot of those accounts either, but it's important to understand what they are, how they can impact your business, and how to utilize them to get your business some additional traffic. Being able to do presentations. Whether that's virtually these days or in person or whatever it is, you need to understand, how to present and what it looks like to present. And by the way, practice. That's the best thing that you can do. Another thing is some quick keyboard shortcuts. So you should know what Control-C, Control-V, Control-X, and Control-Z do on a computer, on a PC computer. Macs, I think they have similar ones, but I don't use Macs that often. So if you do use a Mac, know what your keyboard shortcuts are and know how to use them. So anyway, here's a quick clip, or I'll show you what each one of those do in the PC world. Another thing is email. I know we all use email. We send emails out a lot, all the time. We get tons of emails. But how to write a professional email that will get the information you want across successfully and concisely. Nobody wants to read an email that's pages and pages long. See if you can condense that down, and if it is a long email, break it up so people can consume it a lot easier. So there's tons of ways to get additional email skills on being able to properly write an email. It will benefit you and it'll benefit the person that you're sending that email to. So that's just a quick synopsis of some tech skills. And also, don't be afraid of the new stuff, because the industry is always changing. There's always new things out there. There's probably 5 or 6 different ways to actually do what you're wanting to do, and there might be 5 or 6 different programs that can do what you want to do, or if not more. So be open to the new possibilities and to see how they work. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful weekend, and if you need anything, please let us know. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.